Hello everybody, Ken Francis here, and I'm nearing the end of day 5 on this ride across the Midwest. And if you see in back of me over here, looks like some rain's going on, and I don't want to catch up into it. So hopefully by stopping for a few minutes, it can kind of blow over, and by the time I get up that way where I'm going to be camping tonight, the storm will have blown over. Just want to say that I had a great night's stay last night with a Warmshowers host, Kevin Kimple, in I can't even remember the name of the town. I want to say Baxter, Burton, Indiana. My brain is like totally just jelly right now after riding in this humidity. But I am sporting my Warmshowers jersey. And I would like to say that Kevin is going to be in charge of the Warmshowers newsletter, talking about host stories and hospitality, and what is Warmshowers if you remove the hosts and the hospitality. So I think this is a really cool thing that he's doing. If anybody out there watching is a host and has an interesting story, or anybody out there just stay with an amazing host, please write up something for the newsletter, Warmshowers newsletter, and send that off to Kevin Kimple. And I'm going to be watching the storm here. Might actually be coming this way. Could use some hospitality right now, right? Anyway, I'm going to hold up here for a while, see what happens. It's part of the sport, right? Anyway, one way or another, I'll see you guys down the road.